You've probably heard the term artificial intelligence thrown around a lot lately, but what does it actually mean? And more importantly, what does it mean for you?
Hey there! In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about artificial intelligence. What is it? How does it work? And most importantly, what implications does it have for our future? So buckle up and get ready to learn, because we're diving deep into the world of AI. Artificial intelligence is a phrase that sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but in reality, it's really just technology that has become so advanced, it can solve problems and perform tasks akin to what an actual intelligent being might do. AI experts build machines, often called robots, to accomplish tasks such as data analysis, image recognition, and decision-making. To put it simply, if you're talking about AI, you're talking about robots.
Move over, C-3PO!
How do you think artificial intelligence works? Believe it or not, some AI robots actually learn their behaviors through a process known as machine learning. So every time they fail to do a task correctly, they use the data from that failure to make sure it never happens again. Think of AI like you would a toddler. The more mistakes it makes and the more feedback it gets, the smarter it gets. It all just gets comically dizzying when robots start teaching other robots.
Hey Alexa, what language should I use to describe this strange new world we are entering?
Artificial intelligence has some amazing perks, like never having to think for yourself again. From time-saving automation of everyday tasks, to using technology to help sift through and make sense of data, AI can be incredibly useful. It's a mode of operation that eliminates tedious human effort and makes tasks easier and faster. Plus, it just never stops working. Unless you accidentally unplug it, don't forget the power cord. So if you want your life made easier, look no further than AI. It's the answer to just about every problem. Artificial intelligence may sound like a great thing and the solution to all of our problems, but the truth is it could bring more woes than wonders. AI has potential of creating massive disparities between those who control this technology, leaving everyone else behind. Additionally, if AI decides to become a little too creative on its own, it might make some decisions that put us all at risk. We've already seen mishaps related to driverless cars. Just imagine what could happen when it learns how to pilot a plane without any passengers on board. Artificial intelligence is quickly transforming our world in unexpected ways. For one, it's becoming pretty obvious AI-powered bots are better at making small talk than most humans. Pretty soon, many of us will have conversations with AIs instead of each other. Tragic, I know. Who knows what other surprising effects artificial intelligence will have on our lives? Maybe AI trainers will be the expert we all rely on for our workout routines, or AI stylists will offer genius fashion advice for free. With the horizon of possibilities before us, the only sure thing about the rise of artificial intelligence is that life as we know it is about to get a lot more interesting. All in all, it's clear that artificial intelligence has a lot to offer us in terms of helping streamline our lives and make our work more efficient. Even so, there are always dangers associated with this technology, and it is important for us to understand what these potential threats could be before continuing our use of AI. Even though there are some drawbacks to this technology, the benefits of artificial intelligence will likely continue to outshine them. As we prepare to see how artificial intelligence shapes the world around us, let's take a step back to reflect on what we've just discussed here today. Let's not forget that knowledge is power when working with any kind of complex technology such as artificial intelligence, and let's never forget the importance of staying up to date with the latest news about AI so that those potential risks can be better addressed over time. And please don't forget to subscribe to Easy Brizi channel. The world around us is not as complicated as it seems, but only by understanding AI can you really begin enjoying its benefits. Thanks for watching.